Come on now, get out of my raspberries. Get out of there. Leave my strawberries alone. No. 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 Just some low expansion foam here. It'll fill up most of the voids. So anyhow guys, I gotta wait to put the apron on because I'm still trying to decide if I want to just do a stucco finish on this backer board. You know, kind of a rough texture, or if I want to go with a 2.5, I think it's 2.5 by 6 inch tile, ceramic tile, but it's kind of antiqued. It's a white tile, but then it's got the clay showing through around some of the edges and then through the centers here and there. And I thought that would look kind of cool in here, but the drawback behind that, it's such a small tile for such a tall wall that I'm afraid that it might get way too busy in here with all the lines, the grout lines from it. But in the comments, let me know what you guys all think. It's getting kind of busy around here this time of year with the garden producing now. We had a torrential rainfall and settled all the dirt, so my potatoes are now exposed, so I got to do something with them this weekend. And it's berry picking time also, and I'm all out of raspberry jam. A couple years ago I did a bunch of jam here on the porch in one of my previous videos. I may do the same thing. I've got 3 gallons of strawberries I got to take care of. I got, they're all in the freezer, so it's not a big rush. 3 gallons of cherries and almost 3 gallons of raspberries now, so I figured I'd make some decent jam with all that. And then this weekend I got to do something with the garden. But there's the trim minus the apron for this front window. I've got all of them built and down here, other than the bathroom, the mechanical, and this window here, because I'm yet deciding on what I got to do. So today I'm going to work on putting these in, and then the rest of the video may be pretty much either making some jelly or taking care of the garden or what have you. We shall see. But anyhow guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Maybe you can continue watching it. I'll get back to work and let you all go. I swear, when I grow up, I'm gonna have all cordless tools one day. But yeah, I got these two upper ones done now off the ladder, so I don't have to worry about them anymore. And the Grizzly's not happy about being stuck down the stairs. What are you doing? Getting yourself in trouble again? That's about the end of the window boxes that I can actually do right now. I've got 3 left, the utility room, the bathroom, and then the window on the gable end wall there. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on the walls in those 3 rooms, so there's 1 window in each. So that's pretty much the end of the cabin portion of the video. The next is going into our homesteading end. And with that, I have to get into the garden, dig up the potatoes that got exposed during that last rain before they turn all green. And then I got a couple heads of cabbage I need to get at and probably make some sauerkraut.
Slug got into some of the cabbage.
That'll do it for the garden here right now. There's still a bunch of celery that is within a couple weeks of being able to cut and freeze. Tomatoes are just now starting to come in. Carrots, we could do something with them anytime. They're getting some size to them. We just plucked a few of them today just to make a salad for supper. And then we got a few onions that are ready to come. Bell peppers aren't really doing anything. Banana peppers are just now flowering. And all the vining plants seem to have gotten some sort of I don't remember what they call that, mildew. Anyhow, I mean, there's 100 pounds of produce right there now. So now on with the fun of making the cabbage into sauerkraut and grating up the zucchini for bread later on and freezing, and a ton of potatoes.